Rbxx.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I got the Camaro in the garage, 89 Iroc. It's got the original TPI 350 5.7 liter engine, 700 R4 transmission. There she is. So the plan tonight is to completely disassemble all the accessories, intake manifold, basically get it ready to remove the engine for tomorrow morning. That way when I get some sunlight, I can jack it up and get this thing out. But here she is. All the parts rolling in. Cam, we got the timing setup, timing chain. We got the girdles, the offset, or the mounts for the rockers with the offset intake rocker. Heads there, fast intake there. Hawk Performance. I got decided to go with their swap kit. And that includes headers, transmission mount, engine mounts, clamshells, you name it. Anyway, here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and set up the camera and get to it. Alright guys, everything disconnected, got the wiring all done underneath. Get under there and turn on the light. Alright, I have the exhaust completely hanging, motor mount bolts are out, transmission cross member is loose, trailing arm loose. Like I said, motor mount bolts are out. I think that's everything. Shifter, I think I'm good to go. Wiring is all done. Transmission lines are all out. Not out, but disconnected. Got the speedometer cable. I think I'm good. Alright. So I think the last thing is just the power steering lines. Hook up a chain and yank this thing out. out. Got it on the dolly. I think we're good to go. Slide this thing over in the corner. Up next will be the factory wire harness. Get that all removed. Keep what I need to keep. Get rid of whatever the hell I need to get rid of. Pressure wash tomorrow morning. We'll get sanding down, getting this thing clear coated.
Rbxx.